Welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be changing the headlights on my Transit. The box has just arrived with the new ones inside. Let's have a look, see what they look like. Bought these on eBay, the pair. I think it's about 130 quid for the pair delivered. Yeah, it is what it is. I've got the MOT due this week. The other ones are quite badly worn. The lenses are all rubbish. So I thought I'll bite the bullet, buy some new ones. So let's have a little look, see what they look like. Pull the plastic off and let's have a look. Right, here's a photograph of what they look like side by side. The camera stopped working, so this is obviously the driver's side and the passenger side was the one I was just undoing. But as you can see, the left one, how bad it is. I might try and give it a little clean up later just to see how well it comes up. Right, now to remove these headlights is very easy. It's just 2 screws at the top here, which is obvious. 1, 2. When you've undone them, just give that light a yank forward. I'm doing it with one hand, obviously I've got the camera in the other. Just grab hold of it and give it a little pull forward and it'll just come out the clips really easy. Then when it's out of the clips, I'll show you the clips later so you know what I'm talking about. The plug, just push down on the plug in the middle there and just give it a pull like this and it will just pop straight off. Then your lights out. Very simple, very easy design. Love it. Here they are side by side, these two. Yeah, just change the bulbs over, which is just twist it and bulbs come out, swap them all over. Yeah, you've got 3 bulbs: indicator bulb, your slide light bulb and your main driving light bulb. So just undo this little panel at the back, push the little tab down and the bulb will come straight out. Remove the plug and it's that simple. When it comes to the motor, you've just got to twist it clockwise, then give it a hard pull and it should pop out. It's quite tough. Then just pull the little plug off, then you're halfway there. Right, when fitting the motor, this is what you need to do. You need to put your finger in the actual bit here and pull it upwards as you see this lift up. Okay, so you need to pull it like that. So when you put the motor in, you've got more room to push down and twist it. Because it's a very short little stumpy part that goes in there. That's all you need to do. Then just put the back cover on, put the clips on, then that's all done. Hopefully your bulbs will be working okay. Here's the little tabs that holds in at the bottom. And let's just focus up a little bit. It just pushes in there, this little bit lifts up and just holds it in place. So just push it back in there, do the screws down. Now this is my brother's favourite part. He would love this. He's gonna, if he's watching. When he was a kid, he used to always wanted to be the first one to peel the protective cover off. So this is for you, my brother. Hang on, let's grab hold of the top corner. Here we go. And oh, look at that. He'd love that. Yeah. Okay. Well, hope this has helped some of you out. Thanks for watching.